Hey, Rain. What's up?
Tired.
Where are you going? Hey, man. Hey, did you know that in 1958, 57 to 75, George Lopez fought in the Civil War?
No, he didn't.
Why are you yelling? You're hurting my head. Wait a minute, since when was I wearing sunglasses? Last night, I'm just gonna stick them on the dresser. Oops. And you know what, when I was young, I just... You know what? When I was littler, we used to, yeah, did you ever do that as a kid?
Do what?
Quit yelling, first of all. And I just told you. Did you know that every 90% of people... Yeah, did you?
Did I know what?
I just told you.
No, you didn't.
I did. Why are you yelling? You're hurting me.
I'm not yelling.
I need an Advil.
Go get it.
I'm tired though. I know what to do. I'm gonna make a drink. Over here. This. Stretch it. Stretch it. Like that. And then go like that.
Sierra, what are you doing?
I'm making a drink.
No, you're not.
What are you talking about? Oh man, wait. See what you did. You made me spill my drink. That drink is good. I got a new drink. I'm sorry. Glasses. These things. They look really, really bad. Okay, I don't want to wear them. So, they don't really help my vision.
Sierra, they're upside down.
Quit yelling. Okay.
Sierra, they're crooked. Sierra. Put that down. Go to bed.
Uh-uh.
Go.
No.
Yes.
Quit yelling.